This video, I show you how to get paid free PayPal money for just signing up, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is how to earn money online for signing up. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Are you getting bored of your phone just getting some bland notifications that are completely uninteresting? Do you want to change that but you don't know how? Well, what if I tell you that in this video you can get lots and lots of notifications, and not only plain notifications but payment notifications. In just a few clicks, you can earn over $54 with this new money-making strategy that I'm about to show you. I assure you, this method is 100% legit, 100% effective, and most of all, 100% free. I have new apps with me today that you are going to learn about. Simply downloading and signing up, and just like that, you get to earn lots and lots of money online. And this method is widely available, no matter where you are around the world, so this is completely accessible for everyone. With that said, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double, or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get started with the very first app. So the first app on our list is Cashkik.com. But before we dive into making money with this app, we can see here on their Facebook page that Cashkik is very transparent when it comes to their payments via PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, you can also get paid through gift cards and direct deposit. By the way, this app works on both Android and iOS devices. So there's no hassle for you to download this app. Returning to the app, you will get paid for doing things you already do online, such as completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and exploring the web. But the one I recommend is watching videos, which you can find right here because this one pays the most. To earn a lot of money from this category, simply open a lot of videos and play them all at the same time. You can even take surveys at the same time while watching those videos. In that way, you can maximize your earning potential. Now to get started, all you have to do is sign up here. To get free points, you may either link your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Google, or manually fill out the required information. Now, moving on to the second app on our list is Appkarma Dot Io. This is a fantastic app that allows you to make money by simply installing and using it. This app is completely free. It requires no investment and is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The best part is by just installing and signing up to this app, you'll receive 300 bonus points for free. And take note that 100 points is equivalent to $1. So with 300 points, you get the easiest $3 you've had in your entire life. This app is literally donating money just by logging in and downloading it. Another option to make money with this app is through its referral program. When someone you refer earns a certain amount, you get a share of their earnings. See, it's just a way to make money while you sleep. You'll be sitting around waiting for them to make money for you while others work for it. The coolest thing about this program is that it allows you to make money by just logging in every day. As stated here, this app rewards you for simply logging in and completing tasks. You will also boost your level or earn badges by completing certain Appkarma tasks, which will translate to a higher reward level. So simply gain these badges to improve your earning potential with this app. Moving on to the third app is Cashkik.com. This app will pay you in hard cash through PayPal or bank transfer. This has the same features as Cashkik with the exception that Cashkik will pay you more. As you can see, they provide similar services as Cashkik. Therefore, you can use the same way we did with the first app. To optimize your earning potential, you should concentrate more onto watching videos, so that you may simultaneously answer as much surveys as you can while watching videos in the background. To sign up, simply fill out the required information, so you can get started on your new account and begin earning today. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. So we will now move on to the fourth app, which is SuperPay.me. This app provides free paid surveys that can earn you a lot of money in the least amount of time because their payment turnaround is only a day. This is completely safe and reliable. As a result, you can receive your earnings within just a day of waiting. They even have a very low cash out threshold. By the way, when you join this app, you will receive a welcome bonus, which is just amazing. As you can see, they have paid out a lot of money to people around the world as of today. The concept of this app is really simple. You simply respond to surveys. What I like about this app is they are very open and transparent when it comes to their payouts. These are the worldwide payouts that this app has made, as you can see here. To sign up to this app, all you have to do is click here and provide them with the necessary info in order to get your money-making account started. Answer a few questions, provide some basic information, and that's it, a new income stream for you. Overall, these are great opportunities for you to grab in order to earn money online. I mean, these are really simple applications and platforms that anyone can work with. You won't literally need any special skill to do these tasks. All you have to do is watch videos, take surveys and log in every day. These apps are guaranteed to make decent money, just make sure to be consistent with it. Now if you want to earn even more money, then you need to watch this video right here.